Hi guys, welcome to KFC Korean Food Cookbang. It's easy and tasty Korean cooking channel, and I'm Yujin. Today I will make Jeon Bok Juk, which is Korean abalone rice porridge. Jeon Bok Juk is a very high quality dish in Korean cuisine. This is the top of the Korean porridge. It's very healthy and very tasty. I usually make this porridge for only someone I really care about, especially if they are not feeling well and sick. Abalone is a great source of omega-3, vitamins, and even minerals. So I believe it helps them heal or get well soon. If you want to know more about abalone's health benefits, check out my description on this video. There is also all the ingredients list with the links, so check it out. So don't you want to make this delicious and very healthy porridge for your loved ones? I'm sure you want to. Today's recipe is easy, but preparing abalone is a bit tricky. So just follow me step by step, okay? Are you ready? Let's get started! Put 4 cups of rice in a bowl and add water. Also soak the abalones in salted water and store in the fridge for an hour too. This is how the rice looks after an hour. I washed the soaked rice after this. And take out abalones from the fridge. Now clean abalones with a brush in water, especially on the sides. See, the left one is the cleaned abalone. It looks so different, right? So we have to clean abalones really well. Remove abalone's meat from the flesh slowly. The internal organs are removed separately from the flesh and set aside. We're gonna use later. The reason why we're gonna use abalone's organs, it makes your Jeon Bok Juk really flavorful. That's why. Cut off the tough and pointed part. You will know where it is by pressing it thoroughly. Slice the abalone meat about the size I'm cutting now, so you can still enjoy chewy texture after a long time boiling. Chop the shiitake mushroom and carrot. I think shiitake mushrooms are so cute, fluffy. Now bring back the organs and use hand blender to puree them. Okay, now we're gonna start to cook. Put the rice in the large pot with low flame. Add 5 tablespoons of sesame oil and stir fry them well. Add 8 cups of water. You can put more later if you need it. And keep stirring. We will keep stirring the pot to prevent the rice sticking to the bottom of the pot. Now put blended organs. You can adjust the flame to the medium. About 10 to 15 minutes later, put all the vegetables and keep stirring. When the rice is cooked, put the abalones. Now add soy sauce and salt. And this is optional actually, but I added my magic sauce, anchovy fish sauce a little bit. It's like about a half tablespoon. Now cook about 15 to 20 minutes more and keep stirring. It's almost done! Yay! For the garnish, put some more sesame oil and soy sauce if you need it. And also sprinkle some roasted sesame is a very good idea. Roasted seaweed if you have is really good with Jeon Bok Juk. Actually, it's really good with all kinds of porridges. Also a side dish, kimchi is a perfect choice. Now enjoy! I hope you had nicely cooked Jeon Bok Juk with your family or friends. If you have any questions, comment on this video, okay? So this is for today. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe me for the next video. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye!